Yo guys, this product sold with 15,000 profit margin on Amazon. So this product is cost really low, and if you buy stock, you will pay even 50 cents. So I want to show you exactly how actually I found this kind of products. On the end of the video, I'm going to show you exactly the method that actually I'm doing it on a daily basis. So this product cost only 99 cents, and if you want to see how many they sold actually, so take a look at that. You go to Amazon, you find the same product which cost 16 bucks, and you can see that 4,000 pieces sold in the last 30 days. But it's not the end, because if you go down, you can see additional 50, additional 4K, additional 700, 100, and if you go, you will see thousands more. So if we calculate, which is the average of 15,000 sales in the last 30 days, so with a profit of 14, so it's 210,000, but the profit margin is actually crazy. And if you go more, you will see that there is also active ads on Facebook ads. So this is my group when I show exactly how I find these kind of products, and if you don't know me yet, I am Aviv Malka and I'm making over $19.6 million dropshipping, and I can refresh my screen, dropshipping with AliExpress and Shopify, and I show you exactly the method how actually you can do that by yourself. So if you want to make money online and you want to do it crazy good with awesome products with my methods, go inside school, my private community, when I give you products on daily and weekly basis, and I show you exactly how you can open a store in less than 10 minutes with AI. Want to see you inside.